Her, Renee Montoya. Raised on 80s cop shows, she's always saying cheesy shit like,
there was only one shooter inside. Wait, shh, shh, shh.
I'm just saying, we got 4 dead bodies here, you know, one guy.
I'm trying to work.
I'm sorry.
Hey! Gotham PD!
tragedy struck.
Anna's Corporation is his father's company. Jeez, what the fuck is this? What? You. Where's Cassandra Cain?
Are you drunk?
Come on.
Right in the shit.
That diamond is our only chance of stopping him.
You're dumb enough to be building a case against him. We're gonna have to work together.
With you.
I know a great taco spot. I got you. Ooh. Aren't you glad you wore that? Sexy and bulletproof.
We gotta clean this city from the inside out.
Does she always talk like the cop in a bad 80s movie, or is that just
Fuck
me?
you and fuck you.
What?
It was the kick in the balls she needed to see that she had nothing to prove to those blowhard assholes. She quit the same day. And Huntress got her family money. The birds of prey. I call them dorky little do-gooders.